Hello and welcome to Module 6 of CIS150AB. In this module, we're going to cover Chapter 6, which gets into more about objects and methods. So this module is a 2-week module again, so you'll have 2 weeks to go ahead and complete the programming assignment. So you want to make sure and view all the Chapter 6 video notes, view any supplemental videos, and review the Chapter 6 PowerPoint. Again, the assignment is due on October 29th, Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. and it's worth 75 points. So let's go into Canvas and take a quick look. So if we go down into Module 6, you go ahead and click on the Module 6 videos. What we're going to mostly be covering in this chapter are creating constructors for your classes and then static methods. So I put together a couple videos that walk you through creating constructors and static methods. So if we go back into the modules, we'll go ahead and take a look at the actual programming assignment. So let me just go ahead and click on that. So the first thing that I wanted to mention is that do not zip up the assignment files into the zip file. Just make sure and submit them individually. So for the first part, which is 30 points, again, watching the constructor video should help you with this assignment. You're going to go ahead and update the invoice and invoice tester classes created for the Chapter 5 programming assignment by adding 2 constructors to the invoice class. You're going to add an OR constructor that sets the part number and part description to unknown and the quantity to 0 and price per item to 0.0. A constructor that sets all instance variables to values passed in by the user will be your second constructor. And if after you've submitted the Chapter 5 programming assignment and after I've made corrections to that assignment, you must use that corrected version as your basis for this assignment. So if you did not have any errors in the Chapter 5 assignment, feel free to use that. But if you did have errors, use the assignment with the corrections that I returned to you. And what you need to do is in your invoice tester class is create 2 objects using the constructors. You can make up your own data and you do not have to prompt the user for the data. After you've created the objects, you need to display each invoice's instance variables and the invoice amount. So you want to upload your invoice.java and invoicetester.java files here. For the second part of the assignment, it's worth 45 points, and watching the statics methods video should help you with this assignment. You're going to go ahead and write static methods that compute the volume and surface area of a cylinder and the volume and surface area of a cone. And basically, those are based off of the radius and height. So you want to place them into a class named cylinder cone, then write a test program called cylinder cone tester that prompts the user for the values of radius and height, and then calls the 4 methods that you've created, static methods you've created up above, and prints the results. And in this program, you want to use Java's constant value for pi and round the volume and surface area to the nearest whole number. So again, the 2 files you need to upload are the cylindercone.java and the cylinderconetester.java files, and make sure and include comments throughout your code and to include at the top of each of your files, your name, and the Chapter 6 assignment. So that's all we have for module number 6. Good luck on these assignments. And again, the assignments are not due until October 29th at 11:59 p.m.